are just my nacho Doritos that I put into my aluminum pan. Now I'm bringing 1 pound of ground beef that I cooked with taco seasoning. All right, now that we have that in there, I'm gonna grab a cup of shredded lettuce and put that right next to our ground beef, just like so. This is gonna be such an easy and delicious lunch. I next have some corn here that we're gonna put right next to our ground beef. Make sure to get all of that out. Oh my goodness, all these flavors are gonna be so delicious together, just you wait. Next, I have here some tomatoes that I sliced, or my husband sliced. He did a good job, didn't he? All right, and then I have some Mexican style blend shredded cheddar. I did the reduced fat, and we're gonna put that right here. Such an easy and delicious dish. Okay, use that whole bag. Oh, wonder why that happens.
I don't know.
Yummy. All right, this is optional. I know it's not everyone's favorites, but I have some sliced olives. But I think it's gonna go really great with this dish. And then what we're gonna add to this last corner is some red onion dice. Oh my gosh, look at all that fresh, beautiful ingredients. Obviously, we're being a little naughty with that, with those Doritos, but everything else is nice and fresh and delicious. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and give this a quick little mix, get everything well combined. And then we have 2 more things we're gonna add to this to create the most delicious lunch you've never had before. That crunchy Dorito, we got that corn, the cheese, the beef. You could even do a shredded chicken if you didn't wanna do beef. You could even do some beans if you wanted to keep it vegetarian. But this is gonna be delicious. All right, that's all nice and well combined. The next thing we're gonna add is some cooked al dente pasta. And this is just the rotini pasta. We're gonna put right in there. I did let it cool down. Okay, and then before we give this another mix, we are gonna add 1 can of enchilada sauce. So this is a Dorito pasta salad. Oh my goodness. So you don't want to add the enchilada sauce until you are ready to serve. Otherwise your Doritos will get soggy and we want to keep them nice and crunchy. Yummy. Now I did the red enchilada sauce, but you could do the green if that's what you prefer, or you could do a dressing of some sort. But I just wanted to keep this kind of light and Mexican style because I just think Mexican flavors taste really good with Doritos, kind of like a Doritos Locos taco. Oh my goodness, that looks incredibly delicious, you guys. It is time to give this a try. Let's make sure to get lots of everything in there. Oh my goodness. It's kind of like a taco pasta salad, but better.
With Doritos.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. You guys are really gonna like this one.